She looked at her watch. It was time for the bus. Where was the bus? She was at the bus stop. She stood up. She looked down the street. No bus. She looked up the street. No bus. Where in the world was the bus? It was time for the bus to arrive. She sat down on the bench. It was getting cold. The wind was blowing. She didn't have a jacket. Her body was cold. Where was the bus? She stood up again. She looked down the street. She saw the bus. It was coming. In a minute she would be on the warm bus. Her hands would be warm. Her whole body would be warm. How nice. The bus arrived. But it didn't stop. It kept going. It was the wrong bus. She looked at her watch again. Where was the bus?